Good afternoon, everyone. It's Adam Shandro with another buyer preview. Today we're in Lakewood. We're in the North Mayfair Park area. Let me show you the area. We're just near Biscayne Park. You can see that right on over there. So a very nice neighborhood of Lakewood. We're in another Fannie Mae property. This is a great property. Let's go on inside. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home with a pool. And it is a home path property, so you can tell they've come in and they've done some renovation work. Carpeting, you can see, paint they've done. Quite a nice job. I'll run you through real quickly. All right, so the whole place is FHA encouraged, so nothing major here in the way of stopping it from funding. And the best part about this place is the pool, and the pool is in great shape, which is always a challenge when you come into funding. You can kind of get a peek there. So this is bedroom number 2. All right. And then that's outside. You can see that a little bit. I'll go ahead and show you. And then bathroom. Bathroom has had some renovations, whether it was the owner or home path, that I'm not sure about. But some minor touch-up work. Looks like it was the previous owner. All in all, it's in great shape. And then this is your 3rd bedroom. Show you that great pool in a second. This is your 2nd bathroom. Again, it's had some renovation work as well. Kind of looks like a Hilton or something. All right. And then the pool, which is a great, nice feature. You can see it's in really good shape. It's got a nice little rock facade waterfall, I'm sure, that trickles down. So it looks operational, which is always a plus. Laundry dryer right here. And let me open this up real quick. And I'll show you. That's the 2-car garage. So the 2-car detached garage is in back, which is quite nice. Laundry room, washer, dryer hookup. And then I'll go ahead and take you through. This is the kitchen, which has also had some upgrading anyways. On the countertops, nice granite countertops. Area for your fridge. Would be nice to get a stove in there. We can make that work somehow. Nice little sun window. And then tiling, as you can see here. And then your dining room. So again, this is a great property in Lakewood. You want to have a first-time home buyer come on in and move into a house that you can pretty much move in. And again, with the home path, the appraisal is not an issue. So good stuff. Again, this is Adam Shandro with another buyer preview. And I encourage you, if you do want to take a look at this property, go ahead and give me a call at 562-364-9505 at extension 105. That's not working very well. We'll have to get that taken care of. Again, Adam Shandro with the Shandro Group.